Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a review on my Louis Vuitton Kirigami Pochette. So this pochette was released a few months ago for the summer 2021 by Pool collection. So I am so excited for this piece and I love this beautiful gradient colors. I love each of these pouches, as we guys all know that this envelope pouches came in with 3 different sizes. We have the small pouch, the medium pouch, and then this is the large pouch. So let me start with the smallest pouch in here. So this one actually is made up of the gradient monogram canvas. So this one right here, it is in a mist gray, and going towards the bottom of it, this is more likely a an orange color, more likely. So gray, and then started to get cream, and then more likely like orange to me. It looks orange to me, but anyway, it's in a mist gray. And this one is, yeah, this one could fit, you could use this as a card holder, and that's what I use this one for. This one has a press stud closure right here, and it's in a gold hardware. So as you guys can see right here, as soon as I open it, this one has an organizer. So most of my purses has an organizer, especially with this piece. That's because the interior, as you guys can see, let me just take this one out. It is actually in a lighter color. So it is on a cream color, and more likely if you're not gonna put an organizer inside, more likely it's gonna get scratches or get dirty. And yeah, this is one of the beautiful pieces that I have purchased this year. I love the pop of color, and yeah, just have to take care of it. And yeah, it's just so easy because you could put your cards in here and then slip it right through the pouch. So that's what I love about it. So on the inside, it is very clean. I did not see any sort of dirt in it or scratches. That's because I use the organizer. So if you have one of these, I would highly recommend using an organizer for this piece. So this one right here is made in France in a gold foil right there. Well, speaking of scratches, maybe this one is right here. It's not significant at all. It's just the normal wear and tear of this piece. But yeah, the hardware in here, it's still looking great. Just a little bit of hairline scratches on this at the back right here. On the side, it's looking great. This one has a little bit of glazing though, and it seems like the glazing is holding up pretty well. I didn't see any sort of issues or problem on this piece so far. And I use this from time to time. Not a lot though, because I know that when I use this as a card holder, sometimes if I stuff this, it might be a little bit difficult to take your cards inside. But overall, this one is so lovely. Just love the color for this piece, guys. It's amazing. So moving on to the next piece, what I have here, this is the medium pochette, and it's in blue color. As you guys can see right here, just love the gradations of color. So this one right here, the interior, I have the insert. It's actually in this beautiful blue color. This one is a stunning piece. Right here, it started a little bit more like a cream color, and then the monogram is white, and then slowly the color, the gradations of colors started to change, and this one is a little bit more like in a darker blue at the bottom right here towards the back as well. It is stunning. It is, the color is so vibrant for this piece, and I think personally this is the perfect shade of blue right here towards this color. But then again, this one is in a gradient color, so it's even more stunning. So the combinations of colors right here. So yeah, this is a stunning piece. So far at the corner, the glazing, I didn't see any issues with it. I love the fact that there's not much like, yeah, the glazing is very well intact on this particular piece. With the wear and tear, right now I have the ring light on. It is on. I could not really see any sort of issues right here at the corner, which normally you would get some sort of issues right here on the side because you close it, you open it. But this one, it's in great condition. The inside, it's very clean. I didn't see any sort of dirt at all because once again I have the insert. I just love the idea of this insert, guys. So yeah, it is looking great. So stunning. This is one of my most favorite color from this bipolar collection. So we moving on to the next pochette. This is the largest size. On the website they say they could actually fit a tablet, an Apple tablet, but I don't know because I don't have an Apple tablet, so I could not attest to that. And this one, once again, this one is different. This one right here, this one is in a large monogram at the back. This is in, giant monogram, I mean. Look at the LV logos right there and the flowers. It is gigantic compared to this. This is like the medium size, and this one is, I'm not sure if this is the no, this is the regular size, I guess, for the monogram, and this one is the smaller side, the mini monogram. So the smaller pochette, the smaller pouch, has those little monogram pattern around it. This one has the regular Louis Vuitton monograms, and this one is in the giant. So I just love that all of these they are different though, and with the different colors. By far this is my favorite Kirigami Pochette that Louis Vuitton has ever released. With the color, I mean, yes, I just find this one very, very useful and functional. That's because I paid around over $1,000 for these. I know just the regular one is around $700 US, the classic monogram. And yeah, I just find a lot of use on this pouches. So I don't know, maybe the holiday animation collection they will have this Kirigami Pochette, or maybe on just before Christmas they will have it, but I'm not really sure yet what would be the theme for this year. I know last year is by Nicolas Gasquier with the multicolor ones. That one is absolutely amazing. The Game On collection, that one is absolutely gorgeous, but this one is for the summer. So looking at it inside, it just opens like this. The inside is so beautiful. Once again, I have an insert right here. This one actually helps my pochette inside to keep it clean and in shape as well. This one, the interior is actually made up of a cowhide leather. So all the linings on this piece is made up of cowhide leather. So it is leather. Only the outside of it is made up of canvas. So I could not even speak regarding the well, I think the leather inside is durable though. I do think, but I couldn't even speak to that. It's because I put an organizer, so if probably, if I wouldn't use an organizer, it'll probably show a lot of marks from the regular use, the regular wear and tear for this piece. But so far right now, it's looking great. It's looking really nice and clean. And that's another thing, guys. It's like, this one is made up of monogram canvas, and it has those grain. So pretty much like if you scratch this piece, you're not going to be able to see that. It's because it has grain in it. But if there is like a significant marks or dirt, it'll show. But so far for this piece, even the side of it, right there, it has a nice glazing. The glazing is made, it's actually in pink color. Wow. Yeah, once again, the gradations of color for this beautiful piece is absolutely amazing. It starts right here in pink, and then we have the white, and then we have the yellow. I think this is perfect also. The color is so vibrant. I just love it. Yeah, it's just like the summer vibe, you know, for this piece is amazing. And the colors with this, the pink, the white, and the yellow blends in perfectly so far for this piece. And yeah, this is just this is the only piece that I've purchased for the Biple collection. I know that it came out with Speedy and all kinds of stuff, the Undergo, but since I just really wanted to get all the colors for the Biple with this pink right here, the blue, and the mist gray. So with the Kirigami Pochette, you'll get all the colors, and I love it so much. So yeah, that's just pretty much like, sometimes I just use this, sometimes this one could actually fit a passport. Sometimes I just use, but I use this both of these. I use this a lot because I could easily slip it on my purse, but this one is not so much. I don't really use this one so much. I could use this as a clutch, but yes, this one has an insert right here, so you could easily transform this as a crossbody bag. Sometimes I use the chain, sometimes I don't, but yeah, you have that option as well. And so far I've used it several times and I didn't see any sort of wear on the side, but it's looking great. So I will definitely gonna recommend, if you want to purchase one of these, to put the organizer. It actually helps a lot to maintain the structure of your purse, and also to keep it clean and nice and clean, because I know if once you have like a pen marks, or it could be anything, it's going to be so hard to remove those. So I will highly recommend an organizer. So as you guys could see right here, this is actually my stud clear bag. I love this so much. So when I don't use this, I'll just put all the pouches right here so I could see them. I'll just put it right at the corner of my, so yeah, so that's how it looks. Let me just arrange them nicely so that you'll be able to see them. So yeah, like that. So this stud bag, I actually just use this. You can actually use this just with this clear bag. So I don't even know why this one is leaning. Well, I guess that's because they are empty inside. That's why they are leaning like that. But they are looking great. When I'm not using it, I put it right here, like I mentioned. And I love to see them. I love to see them from time to time. I love to see them just like that. Finally, I was able to put them straight. So yeah, these are gorgeous. And I'm so excited for what would be the next Kirigami Pochette. I was just hoping for the holiday animation collection they will have it, because I love the Vuitton, especially in Japan. And I love that illustration, and I know they're coming out very soon. And I was just hoping and looking forward for the Kirigami Pochette at the end of this year. Yeah, I think they release twice a year for the Kirigami Pochette. So anyway, I would highly recommend this. Oh, let me just show you. Oh, this is the product information right here. M80377. Obviously, this has already been sold out on the website, but maybe you could find it somewhere else on the other resale market out there. So yeah, I will highly recommend it. The color is so fun. The color is vibrant. It's like the perfect shade of every colors that I've been looking for. Those beautiful, lovely pastel colors are amazing. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.